used to be a lot bigger due to oxygen levels and other factors. Like, take a look at this prehistoric.
Yeah, so I've talked about this before. Insects and arthropods, like centipedes and like dragonflies and all that, they used to be bigger because of increased oxygen and also increased temperatures. But they have different breathing systems than mammals. So arthropods, like insects and centipedes and spiders, used to be a lot bigger because they have a essentially external respiratory system that has more surface area exposed to the outside, so they can take oxygen from the air a lot easier, and then they can get bigger because bigger arthropods means more surface area for oxygen exchange. That was a very poor explanation, but I digress. Anyways, things with internal respiratory systems, like snakes or other reptiles, as well as birds and mammals like humans, they have a differently arranged respiratory system. Wow, I am really biffing it with the explanation right now. I cannot get the words out properly. I promise I know what I'm talking about. This is to say that mammals and largely vertebrates, fish are a little bit weird, but fish are weird in general, they don't benefit from higher oxygen content in the atmosphere because of our internal respiratory system, as opposed to arthropods' relatively external respiratory system. There it is. That's what I was trying to say. So, yes, insects and other arthropods used to be a lot fucking bigger. Like, ridiculously and horrifyingly big. But that is not the same with mammals. Now, I saw someone in the comments of another video talking about this, that, like, we did have giant mammals back then. What about woolly mammoths and Gigantopithecus and those fucking ground sloths? Yes. But we also have megafauna now. We have elephants and giraffes and moose and blue whales, all of that. And lots of those megafauna were a lot more recent than the giant fucking insects. I pressed stop before I finished saying the word. I am really struggling with this video. Fuck me. So, yeah. The giant-ass insects were way farther back than the giant-ass mammals, and lots of those giant-ass mammals went extinct due to human activity, such as the giant ground sloth. Additionally, we still have megafauna. Like, go look at a fucking moose. Tell me that shit is not prehistoric. So, no, the fact of higher... Ew, oh my god, this video is a disaster. Whatever. Keep rolling. So the fact that oxygen content was higher in the past, and therefore produced giant insects, does not mean that giants exist, like the monster humanoid giants. Those did not exist. And the fact that higher oxygen content in the past, that doesn't mean giants exist, because that's not how it works for mammals. That is what I'm trying to say. Fucking hell.